morning. Welcome to Cleaning is My Therapy. So I am stripping my husband's uniforms. I am showing you some of the products I will be using. And I will be using a scoop of OxiClean, a scoop of laundry soda, scoop of borax, and a capful of Gain laundry soap. As you can see the bubbles, I had already put that in. I just kind of forgot to hit record. So now I'm just going to take my little broom handle and stir it all up. And I am going to toss in all of his uniforms. And they are clean. They don't look clean because I can't get them clean. So that is why I am stripping all of his uniforms, because they are just disgusting and they smell like gas, oil, and grease. My husband is a diesel mechanic. So it is just time to get his uniforms cleaned, and throughout the process you guys will just see how disgusting the water and everything is. And I also have some other laundry that I need to get done, so this will be kind of showed out through a little bit throughout the beginning of this video, as well as laundry. And I am getting a load tossed in right now before I have to run to town. And I'm using some Lysol, laundry Lysol, sorry, y'all, I get tongue-tied, and some Gain and Gain fabric softener and the Gain laundry soap. These are just some of my favorite products. And this one smells so good.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
So this was about 5 hours in. Me and my husband, we had to run into town and file our taxes. So my daughter came in throughout and just stirred it up for me. And y'all, the amount of dirt and grime that came out of these uniforms is disgusting. Here in a few, I will show you the bottom of my bathtub. It was black, and I had a black ring going around my tub. I scrubbed this tub out for like a good hour because I was having a hard time getting the grease and oil and the grime off of my tub. But about an hour later, I finally got it clean. So yeah, it was just pretty disgusting. And so now I am literally going to try to soak his uniforms, strip them every 2 weeks. I'm going to try every 2 weeks and we'll go from there. If not, I may have to strip them like once a week, but I'm hoping I can do it every other week and keep them kind of clean so they don't smell so bad. So that is what came out of his uniforms. So gross. All that dirt, grime, grease, oil. So I'm going to put these in on a heavy duty wash and get that started. You don't see me doing all that because my camera died.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys tons of laundry motivation. And if you guys decide to strip your laundry, tag me on Instagram so I can see. And I know I don't post a lot on Instagram. I am trying to get better about posting more over there. So, y'all just bear with me. I'm still new at this. I've only been doing this like 2 years now. This is my second year. And I'm trying to post more on Instagram and Facebook. So, but I hope you guys have a good Saturday and a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys next week. I'll talk to you guys Tuesday. Bye.